Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video we are going to see how we can import the Excel data into this database in SQL Server. Okay, so as you can see here, I have already created one database that is called as a Flipkart, and inside this database options you can see one database name that is Flipkart, right? And then if I'll expand this, here you can see we have a table folder, right? Again, if I'll expand it, here you can see we inside this table folder, we don't have any other table here, correct? So now our task is we have to import. Here you can see this is the Excel data, right? Flipkart data. So we have to import this data into this SQL Server database, and that is inside this Flipkart database. Okay, but before that, let me show you. This is the data source, or we can see the Flipkart data, right? So just click here, then right click on it, then go to the properties, and here you can see the extension of this particular file is .xlsx, right? It means it is the Excel data, right? So now our intention is we have to import this Excel data into the SQL Server, right? And as you can see here, inside this Flipkart data XLSX file, we have three different tables, that is orders table, people's table, and returns table, right? So at a time, I want to insert these three pages inside this SQL Server, okay? So how can you do that? First of all, you have to close this file. Okay, it means the source file, whatever that may be, you have to close this one. Then only you can import the data inside this SQL Server. Okay, otherwise it will give you the error. Okay, so to import that, what you have to do, just right click on this particular database. So as you can see here, this is the Flipkart database, right? And I want to insert those three different sheets into this Flipkart database as a tables, right? So to do that, just right click on it, then go to the task, and inside this task we have in the below part you can see three options, that is import chart file, import data, and export data. Okay, so if it is in the CSV format, you can select this import plot file, but as our data source is XLSX file, it means it's the Excel file, so here you have to select on this import data. Okay, then click on this next step, then here you have to select the data source. Okay, so for that, just click on this drop down, then select Microsoft Excel, because our data source extension is XLSX, that's why there's a Excel file. That's why here we have to select the Microsoft Excel. This is the source thing. Okay, then click on this browse tab and select that particular file. Got it? Then go to the desktop, and inside this desktop we have a file that is called as the Flipkart data, right? So just click here, then click on open. Then in the Excel version, you can select whatever Excel version you have. So my Excel version is 2007 and 10, so I have selected this one. Then here you have to select this tick box. First row has column name. Okay, then click on this next step. Then this is the destination where you want to import the data. So I want to import the Excel file into the SQL Server, right? So just click on this drop down. So here I will select this SQL Server, that is Microsoft OLTP provider by SQL Server. Then in the authentication option, you can select this one or this one as per your suitability. So if you have the username and password, then you can select here and you can give the username and the password. All right. But in my case, I want to use this Windows authentication option. That's why I'm selecting this one. Then here you can select the database. So inside this database folder, I have only one database, that is called as the Flipkart. That's why I've selected the Flipkart. Then click on this next step. Then here you have to select this copy data from one or more tables or views. Then click on next. And now as you can see here, select source, table, and view. So I want to import only the table part. That's why here you can see this is the table. Wherever you can see these dollar options, there's the view. So I'm selecting only the table. It means I just want to import the table, that is orders table, people's tables, and the return table inside this SQL Server, and that is inside this Flipkart database, right? That's why I've selected these three tables. And click on this next step, then again click on this next step, then click on finish. Inserted those three tables inside this Flipkart database. Alright, here you can see this row has been successfully inserted inside this database, right? So just click on this close tab and make it close, right? Then just expand this, and so just click here, then right click on it, then click on the refresh tab. And now as you can see here inside this tables folder, we have successfully imported these three tables, that is orders table, people's table, and return table. And now if you want to see what data actually present inside these tables, then you can use the select statement, that is select star from. You can drag this table name and put it over here, then give the semicolon, then run this query. Got it? And here you can see we have successfully imported those data into this SQL Server database, and that is inside this Flipkart database, right? Likewise, you can see the people table. Likewise, you can see the data inside this people table and return table as well. Okay. So in this way, you can easily import the Excel assets data inside this SQL Server database. All right.